Yes, you can make money without uploading videos. I'm going to share with you 4 steps I did. I actually tried this myself before creating this YouTube video, and you see proof. You can withdraw money with any of these payment options. The third step is the most important step to make this work. Without doing this step, people will say this method doesn't work. The fourth step is how you actually make money. So don't skip any steps. Do these exact steps I show in this video so you can start making money on YouTube without making videos. The first step is go to YouTube and find a few videos that people will be interested in watching. For example, if it's gaming videos, then look at what's currently trending. Basically, it can be any niche, it can be anyone's video, but the important thing is that it must be interesting for the target audience. I will choose this video and keep watching. I will show you why that is soon. Whatever the video, just copy the YouTube video link. Second step is go to this website. The link is in the description below. It's free to sign up. Just click on this button and fill in the details. Next, copy the YouTube URL from step 1 and paste it here. You will then get a link like this. Every time when someone clicks on this link, you will make money. They offer different payout rates for different countries. So it doesn't matter which country you are in. What's important is where the person that clicks on this link is from. If you can get people from these countries, you will earn more money. Keep watching. I will show you how to find these people so that you can make money fast. If you have earned $5, then you can withdraw your money, and payment is bi-weekly. So it's super easy, and if you like to make money this way, can you please give this video a like, and we'll move on to the next steps. The reason you will make money with this method is because when a visitor clicks on this link, the visitor will be redirected to the advertisement page, and from there they will be redirected to the main URL. In this case, the YouTube video. Now, the most important step. If you share this link like this, it will be marked as spam and you will not make any money. And you will even say making money on YouTube without making videos doesn't work. So you must do this. Go to this website and click Create Now. Here, write the title of the video. Now, this is important to make this work. Keep this status as public. Next, add a small description. Something like click here to watch the video and then copy the link from step 2. Type in this final part. Then it will say successfully created. Below that, you will be given a public link. That is what you need to copy and share. Step 4 is how you get traffic to your link. You need visitors who are interested in this type of video who will click on the link you created so that you can make money. There are 2 ways to find such visitors that has worked for me. The first website is called Find a Forum. Here you can type any niche and find a forum to promote your link. For example, gaming. Here you see many sites. So if you got a gaming related video in step 1, this would be the ideal place. Now remember, what you need to share is the link that you created from step number 3. For other niches, you can find various Facebook groups. You can share the link that you got from step 3 with a small description. Keep posting on multiple related groups to see which one works best. Here is a tool I use to maximize earnings. I use this tool to automate Facebook group posting. The link is in the description if you are interested. It saves me loads of time and I can schedule the same post multiple times without getting banned. Now just one video is not going to make you much money. You need to try these 4 steps with multiple videos and see which one makes you the most amount of money.